I'm Jody. I'm the creator of the Safe Connect Plus product line. I'd like to demonstrate what our house shield does, and here goes. So this is Nika. Nika, I want to show you with your deltoid muscle what your strong response and weak response feels like. Resist for me. Okay, this is applied kinesiology. Take your hand, top of your head. That's a good connection, positive on negative. But when you flip your hand and do positive on positive, it shorts you out. That's your weak response. So let's look and see what happens when you just touch a refrigerator that's plugged in. It's the largest electrical appliance in the house. And this is what happens when you just touch a refrigerator. But that includes all of your electrical appliances. Let's try the stove here. It's also plugged in. Nika, go ahead and just touch that. The minute you touch an appliance that's plugged in, whether it be your computer, your laptop, your oven, your stove, your washer, dryer, doesn't matter. But what happens when we take the Safe Connect Plus house shield and we plug it into the wall, it's treating with all of our frequencies, 240 frequencies, all the appliances, including the wiring in the house. What happens when Nika now touches his oven? You just want to cook. You remain strong. That's amazing. Let's look at the refrigerator, the largest appliance in the entire house. What happens when he touches it? Now with the Safe Connect Plus house shield, and I can swing on his arm. He's strong like a bull. So there you go.